Today, I'm going to show you how to copy an image or photo to the clipboard on an Android phone. To do this, we need an extra app. First, open the Play Store, double tap the search icon, then type in the keyword File Manager Plus. From the list of apps, select and install the File Manager app made by File Manager Plus. In my case, I already have it installed, so I just need to update it. Once the installation is complete, launch the app. The first time you open it, you'll need to grant a few permissions such as access to internal storage. This is the home screen of File Manager Plus. Now let me show you how to copy an image or photo to your phone's clipboard. I'll pick a photo as an example. Aha! Let's use this one. Tap the photo to select it, then tap the More menu, marked by the ellipsis icon in the bottom right corner. Here you'll see several options. Choose Settings, then enable Open As. Close the pop-up window, then tap the More menu again in the bottom right corner. Now you'll see the Open As option. Tap it, then select Other. In the pop-up window that appears, look for a browser. You can choose any browser installed on your phone. For example, here I'll pick Chrome. Confirm by tapping just once. Once the photo opens in the browser, tap and hold the image until the menu appears, select Copy Image. Now you can paste that image into any app you want. I'll try pasting it into Google Docs, so I'll create a new document. As you can see, the image I copied is now in the clipboard. But if you just tap, it won't appear on the document page. What you need to do is tap on the page until the menu pops up, then choose Paste. Easy, right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Droid Tips channel. See you in the next tutorial.